Hey there, it's JC Murphy with Savant here at CEDIA Expo 2024. And we're doing a couple amazing things here for the integration channel. One of the first things I wanted to mention is we are bringing, for the first time ever, into the residential channel, an entire lineup of professionally installed shading and lighting technology, which is a combination of technology from GE, from Savant, and from other acquisitions that we've made. And we are going to take the GE branding and use that with the new product named Proseo to have an entire ecosystem of professionally installed lighting and shading being put in by the professional installed channel. It's a super exciting development. We've also announced an underlying universal protocol to deal with low frequency communication across that entire network to drive incredible stability and reliability and scalability of this amazing ecosystem. This ecosystem of products is really going to scale from a price point to more modestly priced homes all the way up to the uber custom luxury homes. But the main big point here is the GE brand for the first time for the professional installer in lighting and shading.